Hey guys, it's Nitya. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am sharing with you guys a bottle art made using glass colors and 3D code liners. This is the bottle art which we are making, roses and of course leaves. Let's get started. Take a bottle which is tall and round, like this bottle. I'm leaving the cap on, but you can remove it. You can take 3D cone liners or this liner which comes in glass colors packet. I'm taking golden color 3D cone liner. Now take your bottle and start making roses. So first make a small squiggle like this. And then make curves to outline it. This is how I made all the roses. Now they are dry. It's been about half an hour since I left them to dry, and now let's start with leaves. So for leaves, I am taking white color 3D cone liner. You can take black or golden itself and start making leaves like this. Let them dry, and once they are dry, you can start with the coloring with glass colors. So first, of course, I'm painting the roses with tomato red color. I'm going to use my 0 number brush to spread it. For leaves, I'm going to use green color. I'll fill the leaves with green color and just pop the bubbles using my 0 number brush. After it's dry, this is how it looks. It looks really pretty. That's it for today, guys. See you next time with a great video.